this video, we'll be taking a look at the present progressive tense. The present progressive tense can also be called the present continuous tense. It's used to describe an action that's happening right now, and the action could be ongoing. For example, I am cooking, the lady is smiling, the children are running. To form the present progressive tense, you need to use am, is, or are, plus a present participle. Whether you choose am, are, or is depends on the subject of the sentence. For example, I am growing vegetables, the teenager is singing karaoke, or the wizards are boxing. To form the present participle, you use the verb plus ing, so eat becomes eating, jog becomes jogging, and move becomes moving. The present progressive tense can sometimes be used to describe an activity that's going to happen in the future. For example, the bus is arriving soon. Nate and Sanjay are going on holiday to Japan. Now let's take a look at the first question. Circle the verb form that is the present progressive in the sentence below. As Stacey's favourite colour is green, the kitten is wearing a giant green bow. Which words are used to form the present progressive? We know that the present progressive always starts with either am, is, or are. Let's highlight any of these words in the sentence. Then it's followed by a present participle, which is a verb form ending in ing. Green is an adjective, so it cannot be the present progressive. However, wearing is a present participle. Therefore, the correct answer is wearing. This shows us that the kitten is currently wearing the bow. Hoo-yah! In the next question, you're being asked to tick the sentence that uses the present progressive form. The sentences are: the magical lamp is hidden in a dark cave. The apple was starting to go mouldy. The seagull is soaring above the beach. The children painted during their art lesson. Pause the video and press play when you have an answer. Did you spot the sentence that's written in the present progressive? The correct answer is: the seagull is soaring above the beach. We could tell this by the use of the word is plus the present participle soaring. Well done if you got it right. Although the apple was starting to go mouldy contains the present participle starting, the word before it is was, which refers to an ongoing action in the past. This is called the past progressive tense, and you can find out more about this in a different video. For our final question, you're being asked to rewrite the underlined verbs in the sentences into the present progressive tense. Mark studies Italian at school. He hopes to go on holiday to Rome. You may wish to write your answer down, or you may wish to just say your answer out loud. You can pause the video now and hit play when you're ready. Do you have an answer? Great! Let's take a look at the original sentences. Mark studies Italian at school. He hopes to go on holiday to Rome. To change this sentence into the present progressive, you'll need to use either am, is, or are and the present participle form of the verb. The answer is Mark is studying Italian at school. He is hoping to go on holiday to Rome. Well done if you got it correct. Hoo-yah! I hope you found this video useful, and if you need help with any other subject, then take a look at the Twinkl website where we've got lots more videos just like this one.